Hey guys, so I'm taking my forged dump valve off. It's still quite early in the morning, so later on I'm going to be taking this car to get it mapped. The main reason I was getting it mapped is because I had a water system problem. Now that water system problem, which I'll show a video of, I'll do my best to because you couldn't really see it very well, but basically it's a £500 fix. It's thermostat housing, which is very common on these. So yeah, whilst it's in there for that, I thought I may as well get it mapped. Bought an AIRBOX for its fault, and the main reason I took this off is because it's meant to run the car stand. There is a spring in here, and there's someone down the bottom. Yeah, so here's the spring. It's supposed to run when it's mapped. It's just a tighter spring, which is fine, but it's still something else that shouldn't be there when it's getting mapped. So we're gonna, it does actually say here on the instructions. So as I said, we're gonna just wait and see how I go with the car mapped, and then decide whether I'm putting this back on.
What about the corners with the rubs? They look useful as well. I'll show you in a minute. Yeah.
To all of you who think this is a better solution, the silicone hose is hotter on the inside than it is the outside. You can barely touch on the inside. That is literally burning me. On the outside I'm fine. Like that. Oh. Yeah, that's the stage 2, yeah.
Should have gone that initially because it would have been cheaper from day dot, do you know what I mean?
Yeah. It's crazy. See, that's the difference with my one. Mine doesn't have the side skirts. You want to give it a couple of revs? That's the difference with mine. Mine's vicious because there's literally no box on it at all.
Oh right, yeah,
It's just pipe.
Yeah, they're nice inside as well. Nice place to be inside.
Yeah, someone said to me the oh no, yeah, it's Club Sport S, isn't it? These are the seats I wanted, but I ended up with the fabric ones because there was none on their leather seats.
To be fair, I wouldn't have minded the buckets.
Yeah,
quite nice, isn't they?
But apparently they don't fold down or anything like that. They're just
yeah, I love it.
Position.
I love it. I just think it's different, isn't it? It is different.
Is a black proof by standard?
Yeah.
One? That's crazy.
Yeah, but she drives it. I don't. I've got my van. Do you know what I mean? I'm in my van all
Map.
That's the original power, the purple line. The original torque is the blue line. It's much neater now. The red line's your new torque, the blue line's your new power. Just under 300 horsepower. So it's good today. It's very hot today. Humid, so it's good power. It's much nicer for longer. That'll work really, really well. So if you run the 98 on fuel, the 98 on coil, the 99 on fuel, 98 on coil, it'll be a 220 horsepower car. The less potent the fuel, the less explosive it is, the less power the car makes. So what happens is, when the fuel goes in the cylinder with the air, obviously the combustion happens, but if the fuel's got lots of additives in, which Costco, Sainsbury's and people like that put in, because they're cheaper than fuel, so additives go in to try and make up the difference. And what happens is it just deadens down the power.
See, the thing
It is what it is. It's still doing 293 horsepower, mate. There's nothing wrong with that. So and it's safe. So you know, it could be a lot better, but it's still 290. It's still going to get in the car now. That's totally different. It's going to be massively different.
Alright, so we're going to be doing a launch now with stage 1, so gearbox and engine tune. And I've already done a video of this without DSG and engine tune, but with the 2 back boxes out. They resonate my back box, and I'm going to do it now with the stage 1. So this first bit's going to be all without and stage 1. So that's one of the problems with the DSG, with it mapped on front wheel drive. It basically over revs and the car panics when it sees it's over revving, it cuts the power and then enables it to come in. So let's see if we get anywhere. But planting your foot in front wheel drive is usually impossible, put it that way. So we'll do some throttle modulation this time and see how we get on. So with throttle modulation, better take off. I think I'm probably going to take it off a bit quicker, but as I said, you have to set now throttle modulate, because if you just plant your foot, you'll get nowhere with this car. So we have the elbow. And the hose. And the racing line AIRBOX. So ERS is mounted over, and now you can do it under, so I may move this and do a video on it so you can see it. Also the turbo inlet, which again you're not going to see. You are not going to see that at all. Well, not sure if you can even see that. You probably won't be able to. Yeah, that's pretty much